just our thing!
CERATIZIT as a company is having a lot of things in their achievements as the first in the industry. So many innovations in the cutting tool industry. Now we also heard about the kind of revolution they are doing in the sustainability, but they have something very different. We can say the first in the industry. They are having a music band, metal injection.
That is true, yeah.
And it was actually before 2 years, they had their first music video, which was released, and it is a hit in social media, in YouTube, and that is not stopping them to come out with their next music. And I am having with me Dr. Uwe, who is the global director of R&D. He also acts as the director, the conceptualizer, and also the lead singer and actor in the new music, which is going to be released tomorrow. So let's find out from them what is this Metal Injection band all about, and what is the new song which is going to be released tomorrow.
Yeah, Metal Injection is a band consisting of employees of the CERATIZIT group, and we started this band around 15 years ago, and we played first Christmas parties and smaller events, and it started around 10 years ago where we played at larger Christmas parties and so on. And during the COVID crisis, we got the request, can we do music especially for CERATIZIT to create a good mood, to be positive, to be motivated. So we did that, and we created a video on that, and we are a rock band, by the way. So we composed our own song, which is called CERATIZIT, This Is It, and it's available on all the platforms, so you can download it, you can see it on YouTube, the video. And this was quite a success. We got a lot of clicks, more than 30,000 clicks. And it was quite impressive because it was something new, because for a cutting tool company and a rock band, that doesn't fit really, you think, but it fits, by the way. So this was quite interesting journey to see that how this developed, and motivates us to create a second song, and it's based on our branding CERATIZIT, just our thing, which is a kind of message to our customers that cutting tool solutions are just our thing. So we created a song on that, and we recorded it with the band. The band consists of 8 musicians, and we recorded a video actually 4 weeks ago here at an after-work party, which is quite funny, and it was really nice. And we will release that song on all the platforms, so you can get it on Spotify, Apple Music, Amazon Music, wherever you want to see it, and also on YouTube, the video. And it will be released on April 19th, and we are quite excited to have that song, and it represents a little bit our fun collaborating together, being a team and having fun, not only at work but also after work.
Actually, I was one of the luckiest person, part of the CERATIZIT Open Days from the global. A lot of journalists came here to understand what is new in CERATIZIT. And on the first day, on the dinner, the special was that song was exclusively premiered for the journalists. And Dr. Uwe, what I have seen in my visit during the open days is that you lead a lot of technological research, and you are very deep inside the technical thing, and the same energy and the same passion I was able to see you in the video, in the Metal Injection. How the work and this fun can come together?
It's this one word, and this word is called creativity. And creativity you need in R&D work, you need in development, but you need it also in music or composing a song. It's basically the same. So you create something new, you are positive, you need to looking forward basically to create something. Playing in a band is nothing else than teamwork, and we need teamwork at CERATIZIT when we create our products, when we create new technologies, doing science. And this is the same with music. We have also a team, and we're playing together after work and creating songs, and this is basically in a way a little bit the same.
I really enjoyed my time at Open Days, and especially listening to you on different aspects and the music.
Thank you very
Before
much.
just closing down this interview, I just want to tell the audience one thing. During our panel discussion, there was a question about artificial intelligence, how artificial intelligence is taking the, it is basically revolutionizing. Many people are becoming dependent. So one thing what Dr. Uwe told was, human intelligence consists of experience plus creativity.
That's exactly the point, yeah.
And generative AI, that artificial intelligence, is breeding of the content, whatever it is. So whatever it is there, it is going to be there. So human intelligence cannot be removed. And I think that we can look at the latest song, Just Our Thing, also comes up with this Right Our Alley.
Right up our alley, that means this is just along our street. It's exactly our way to do it, and that's just our thing. Right up our alley.
Anyway, people are going to see this video, but before we closing this, can you tell me the same energy what we seen in that music video, Just Our Thing?
Just our thing!